This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by resetting the app so YouTube can reload a clean configuration. Go to Settings and clear cache and storage for YouTube. This removes corrupted update fragments. Once done, sign out of your account and sign back in to trigger a fresh pull of preferences. Make sure your device meets the minimum OS requirement and has at least 1/2 GB free. Failing that, the app may fail to complete an update. Do this now to prepare for the deeper repair steps. You now reinstall to replace the broken update files. Uninstall updates or uninstall the app entirely if possible, and then reinstall from the official App Store to ensure you get the latest sign build. Before opening, enable background data and grant storage, microphone, and network permissions so the app can finish setup without prompts blocking downloads. Once installed, open YouTube and let it run for 5 minutes while it fetches and caches assets. This ensures the new update is fully applied. Finish by restarting your device so background services reload cleanly, then test core functions such as playback, uploads, and subscriptions. If issues persist, clear your DNS cache or switch networks. Use Wi-Fi versus cellular to isolate connectivity or CDN problems. Make sure you have a backup of any drafts or drafts metadata before further steps. This protects content. If nothing works, file a detailed bug report with screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.